Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the cars still connected to the minus. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electrical network of your car. Lift the plastic of the negative terminal and remove it using a 10mm spanner. Once removed, close the cover to avoid untimely reconnections. Do the same with the positive terminal. Now, remove the fabric covering on the battery. With a socket wrench, a long extender and a 30mm socket, remove the nut and take off the fastening plate of the battery. Take out the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. Put the new battery back in place. And immediately put the holding plate in place. To begin with, position it by hand, screwing the first threads. Then finish fixing it in place with a socket wrench. Put the fabric covering back on the battery. Lift off the positive terminal cover. Then put the positive terminal back on to start with. Tighten the screw with a 10mm spanner. Finally, put the negative terminal back and tighten it. Operation completed.